All right, main thing is sanding. You got to sand the hell out of it. You want to take all the shine out. Make sure you sand out any deep scratches. Prep work is everything when it comes to spraying a bed liner. I like to use 80 grit first to get some deep scratches, and then I'll come back with some 220 or even a scuff pad in places I can't get. And I also use like a little 80 grit plastic brush that I got from Ace Hardware that works good. Prep it though. All right, so here I'm removing all the screws and strap points so I can get bed liner material underneath it. That way I don't have a line and it'll flake off in the future. And then I also put back each screw. That way I don't fill in the threads with bed liner material and won't be able to get my screws back in. I think it's just a good practice to do. You know what I mean? All right, so now I'm about to paint. I used 4 liters total. I sprayed the side walls, the back wall, or front wall, and tried to get that first. And then I sprayed the front of the floor, and then I sprayed the back of the floor. That way I can cover everything pretty good. And then I just sprayed my other 2 liters over the whole thing and just try to build up some millage. It wound up coming out pretty good. And all right, guys, this is the outcome. I used Custom Coat bed liner. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $140 for a 4-liter setup, which is enough to do a bed liner and a tailgate. But I just used it to do the bed liner, and I got an extra liter to do the tailgate. That way I can have some, good thickness to it. But I mean, $140 for this beautiful bed liner, you can't beat it. And I chose the tenable kind, which comes white, and they offer a few different paint colors. I chose black metallic because I have a black truck, and I am just very happy with how it come out. And let me tell you, this is my first time ever spraying bed liner. I painted it before with a roller, but not spray. So I can do it, you can.